Tile and Ditra underlayment change the finished floor height and directly affect how the toilet flange sits relative to the finished surface. When you replace or add flooring with tile and an uncoupling membrane such as Ditra, the total buildup can be significant and will push the finished floor surface higher than the old floor. Always measure the flange height from the finished floor after installing tile and membrane rather than relying on the old measurement. Choose a wax ring or seal that matches the total stack height. A thicker wax ring or a flange-mounted seal can compensate for extra millimeters of buildup. If the flange ends up below the finished floor by more than about 1/4 of an inch, use an adjustable or riser flange that screws to the flange and can be raised to the proper level. When setting the toilet, tighten the bolts gradually and alternate sides to compress the seal evenly and avoid cracking ceramic by over-torquing. Finally, test for wobble and leaks by sitting on the closed toilet and checking the base. Add thin rubber shims under the base before final caulk if needed. Common mistakes are assuming the existing flange height is correct and installing the toilet before the final tile and membrane are in place, which leads to a poor seal and leaks. The fix is to always temporarily position the flange, or measure after you have the finished surface. People often pick the wrong wax seal thickness and then have to remove the toilet to replace it. Avoid that by calculating total stack height beforehand and buying a high-profile or flange-mounted wax alternative. Another issue is using too much torque on the closet bolts and cracking the bowl or crushing the seal. Tighten bolts by hand until firm, then alternate small turns with a wrench until snug and check for level. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for floor and plumbing coordination and helps contractors find work by connecting them with projects that need skilled trade collaboration. We offer a discussion community where tradespeople and homeowners exchange practical tips and ask specific questions about flange height, seal selection, and tile buildup.